Hey, hey, hey. Anybody who knows me knows that I do not like to spend a whole lot of money on stuff, especially if it's unnecessary. I've given this self-care tip to quite a number of my clients, my entrepreneurs. Here's the thing. You can make your own heating pad. This is what you do. You ain't got to go out and spend no money. You got all this stuff at your house. Get a tube sock, like a white gym sock, fill it with some rice, put a like ponytail holder or rubber band or something on the end so that the rice doesn't spill out. Pop that thing in the microwave for, I'd say, about a minute until it's warm. You don't want it to get too heated. You might burn yourself. And you have a heating pad, a self-made heating pad. There you go. Just those three items: a sock, something to tie the sock with, and some rice. That's all you need. Make that heating pad. You can place it on your neck. It will soothe those tense muscles that you have from working all the time, or you can put it on your low back. You can even sleep with it, and it will hold the heat for at least 30 minutes, probably up to an hour or more. Try it, and you don't have to spend a lot of money doing it. Make your own heating pad. Make it a relaxing day.